Look, I really wanted to learn from the best Amazon sellers. I wanted to know all their hacks and secret tricks. Look, I have learned so many little gems. I could probably say I've easily got over 100 golden nuggets of information.
My 2018 Amazon launch strategy.
And I'll be speaking at this upcoming summit about Amazon PPC as well as doing a more extended, in-depth workshop.
In my first 6 months, I went from $0 to $6 million in sales. It was absolutely crazy, and the only reason that I was able to do it was because of seasonal and trending products.
How to kill it on Amazon in 2018. I'm going to show you exactly what we're doing and how we're treating Amazon as a customer acquisition machine.
You see what the big sellers are doing, like where they get the most of their value from, and that's very good information to have and to take action on.
So I just found a new product here, which I didn't even think of coming into a source for a product.
It was at a Global Sources Summit just a couple of years ago that we first started our business, and we've consistently run a 7-figure business because of the things that we've learned and the products that we found at the Global Sources Summit and the Global Sources trade shows.